In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delete icon in Figma. First, sign into your Figma account and open the project or file where you want the icon to live. Give the canvas a second to load so all your panels and tools are ready to go. This makes the next step smooth and avoids any lag when you place your asset. Next, open the resources panel. The quickest way is to press Shift+I on your keyboard. If you prefer clicking, you can also open resources from the toolbar at the top. A pop-up will appear with a search bar. Type delete and pause for a moment while Figma brings up results. You'll see different styles. Some might be outline-only trash cans, others might be filled shapes, and there may be variations in weight or corner style. Pick the one that matches your design language. Click the icon you like, then click Insert in the bottom right of the pop-up. Your delete icon will be dropped onto the canvas. You can click and drag it to place it exactly where you want. Watch for the smart guides that help you align it with other elements. To change the size, drag the resize handles around the selection. Holding Shift will keep the proportions locked so the icon doesn't distort. If you prefer precision, you can also adjust width and height numerically in the Properties panel on the right whenever the icon is selected. With the icon selected, you'll see editing options in the Properties panel. Depending on the asset, you may be able to tweak attributes like stroke weight, corner radius, or rotation. These controls let you match the icon's presence to the rest of your UI without rebuilding it from scratch. To change the icon's outline color, look for the section labeled Selection Colors in the Properties panel. Click the color swatch there to open the color picker. Choose a new color that fits your system, whether that's a neutral gray, a brand accent, or a red for emphasis. You can set a hex value or use the sliders. If the icon contains multiple strokes or fills, they'll appear as separate swatches, so you can fine-tune each one. Adjust opacity if you want the icon to appear lighter without changing its hue. And that's it. You've signed in, opened your project, inserted a delete icon from resources, positioned and resized it, and updated the outline color using selection colors. Save your file and you're ready to reuse the icon across your designs.